Artoonza.
Before anything else, smash that like button right now. Go on, give it a little tap. It won't bite, I promise. It's actually very friendly. Okay, now that we're best friends, let's talk about something extremely important. What is the most majestic, the most glorious, the most jaw-droppingly spectacular dessert ever created in the history of the entire universe? That's right. It's a giant rainbow ice cream sundae. And today, we are drawing one so big, so rainbowy, and so ridiculously gorgeous, your eyes might actually melt before the ice cream does. Now, I tried eating my drawing last Tuesday. It did not taste like ice cream. Highly disappointed. 0 out of 10 would not recommend. But it looked absolutely amazing. And yours will too. We're drawing our giant sundae with a rainbow heart, a rainbow stick, and our trusty black marker. Then, and here's where things get dangerously exciting. We're attacking it with glitter, acrylic paints, highlighters, and glitter polishes in every rainbow color you can imagine. Ready to make the sweetest masterpiece of your life? Let's go.
Aww, so cute.
Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Give us a big thumbs up. Once upon a scoop, in a land where everything was delicious and slightly too pretty to eat, our giant rainbow ice cream sundae woke up and said, I need to be pink. And honestly, same. So we grabbed our paint dropper like a magic wand and said, let's make it fabulous. But pink alone said, I'm lonely. So we called in yellow, sunshine in a bottle, the color of happiness, lemonade, and that one friend who's always in a good mood. Then light green showed up uninvited, smelling like fresh grass and fruit smoothies, and honestly, we're so glad it came. Together, they threw the best color party our sundae had ever seen. More drops, more brushes, more magic.
Aww, so cute.
Then the sky called. Light blue floated in like a cool breeze on a summer day, and purple strutted in like royalty. Together, they gave our sundae a dreamy, magical glow that made it look almost too gorgeous to be real. Almost. Smash that like button now. Time to turn up the brightness. Orange and yellow highlighters jumped in like two best friends at a party screaming, we're here! And just like that, our sundae started glowing. Oh, it's getting hot! Red and orange crashed the party like a pair of spicy, sassy legends. Bold, dramatic, totally extra. Our sundae just leveled up, way up.
Aww, so cute.
And then we added glitter creamy polish. The whole sundae gasped. It went from gorgeous to ridiculously gorgeous in 3 seconds flat. Creamy, sparkly, absolutely undefeated. Pink, red, and green glossy polishes walked in and said, we'll take it from here. Shine level, maximum. Glossy goals, absolutely achieved. And finally, gold. Because every masterpiece deserves a crown. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.